Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add a banner to your Shopify homepage. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. Then click on Online Store on the left side. On the Themes page, find your theme and click Customize. This opens the theme customization page. Adding a banner to our store is quite simple. We'll use the menu on the left side. It shows all store parts. We'll add a banner from scratch. So scroll down and click Add section. A menu opens with options including banner image. Click it to add a banner. I want it at the top of my store, so I'll go to where it says banner image. I'll click the 6-dot icon and drag it to the top, right to the first spot. I've released it, and now the banner is added. The banner has two types of configuration. General banner settings, which we'll access by clicking banner below to see all options. Below the banner there's a title field, description field and button field. All of this makes up what appears in the middle. We can change the image, text, buttons and button links. The first thing we'll configure is the image option. You can add up to 2 images to this banner, which will be split if you do. You can set one image for desktop and one for mobile. However, this requires additional theme code configuration. I have a tutorial that shows how to do this. Just search online for how to set different banners on desktop and mobile and you'll find instructions. We were able to add the image. I'll do that next, but I'm skipping this part for now. You can adjust the overlay opacity. This allows you to increase the image's darkness. Depending on your image, you can set it to 100%, making it completely black. The default banner height is medium, but you can adjust it to fit the first image. Content position is centered by default, but you can change it. There are various positions to choose from for your content placement. You can decide on alignment, right, left, or center. You can also change and select colors. You can add animation if you want. You can make the background image animated. You can choose the mobile layout. Here you can select the layout and arrange its position. It'll look like this, and you can edit it. As I mentioned, you can edit the information. You can change the title here, adding an example title. You can also modify the description as you see fit. You can edit buttons, keeping just one if you prefer. You can add any link like one for all products. If you want, you can insert a URL. You can add a URL to another page. It's up to you. You can change the button's design. This will work however you prefer, but I'll do something different. Add an image. I made a banner in Photoshop, Canva, or similar apps. You might have made a banner, but I don't want the text. So I'll delete the title, description, and button. I'll have just the banner image. That's my goal. Now I'll click on Banner Image, select the image, and it'll open the Shopify gallery. Since I don't have my banner image here, I'll click Add Image to open my computer. On the computer, we can navigate to where the image is located. My image here is 1920 x 480 pixels. You can use this size or smaller. I recommend a minimum height of 480 pixels. You can adjust the height and width, but keep the height at least 480. I'll click and select it. It'll upload to my gallery. Once selected, I'll click to insert. The banner's added, but it looks disproportionate due to the height. I'll click here and select adapt to first image. And there you have it, the banner's added. If I put text, it'd show in front of the banner. You can add info or a button if you like. You can do as you prefer, but I'll leave it blank just with the banner image. After placing the image and setting the banner, just save. Look for the save button on the top right and click it. After clicking, the changes are now saved. When you access my store, you'll immediately see the banner I've set up correct. I hope this video was helpful.